Hello, I'm Patrick Cooper, and these are some of my cards that are sell on Kangaroo Island. Today I'll show you what's involved in making these cards. So first of all, we draw up some lines on a sheet of cardboard. And then we cut along those lines on a guillotine or paper cutter. And the next step is to fold the cardboard over to create that sharp bend that greeting cards have. After that, we select a photographic print and glue it to the card. While the glue dries, we need to add some weight. 5 kilos ought to do it. After the glue dries, we add a label. Every card comes supplied with an envelope. And the final step is protecting the cards with cellophane. These greeting cards are available from retailers in Penneshaw, Kangaroo Island in South Australia.